All right, ladies and gentlemen, I'm so glad to have you on this video. Today, we are going to show you exactly how to use Friend Connector Pro to not only send targeted friend requests to your target avatar and audience to bring them into your world, but to also nurture them through that initial message in Messenger. We're going to show you how to build rapport with your ideal clients right inside Messenger as soon as you send them a friend request and bring them into your world. So you don't want to miss it. Stick around. You can get this tool. It will be in the description of this video. And you're going to get some amazing bonuses that comes with it. So just go ahead, read the description and see everything you're going to get with this Chrome extension. All right, ladies and gentlemen. So here we are over on Facebook. And what I am about to do is show you how you can begin to put your message segments, your message groups, and begin to broadcast your message as soon as you send those friend requests. I'm going to show you how to put those things together right now. So the first thing that we're going to do is click on the extension. I'm going to open up the extension and I am going to click the little cog. As you can see, I already have several messages made in here, but what I'm going to do now is I am going to create a new one and add it. We are on, as you can see, you can create message segments. And what you do with those message segments end up making message groups. So you may have 2 or 3 different message segments that randomize to create a message group. Because if you don't randomize your messages, Facebook will see those and it will say, okay, I'm dealing with some type of bot, and it will shut you down. So what you want to happen is every time the tool sends a message, you want that message to look like a different message. And that is why you create different message segments, and then you put it together in a message group, and then that's when you can start sending it. So let's create a message segment just to show you how it works. So my title for this is going to be test one, and test one is going to be a rapport building initial message, and it's going to say, hey, and I'm going to click this to put first name in there. Hey, first name is going to be as simple as that. And what that tag first name is going to do is going to actually populate that person's actual first name. Isn't that amazing? So I'm going to click add. So that's my first one. Let's create another one. Hello, first name. Gonna click add. Gonna create another one. Um, gonna say this time I'm gonna say first name. Hey, with a exclamation, and I'm going to add. Now, that is my first message segment. Let's just go ahead and save that message segment. Now, let's create test two. So it's test two. I'm going to say, how are you today? How are you today? That's my first. Let's create another one. How have you been? How have you been? Now, how's it going today? How's it going today? And there you have it. So that is test one and test two. And so what, like I said, what Facebook is going to do is going to randomize these and pair them. Each time it sends another message, it's going to give a different pairing so that it doesn't look like it's sending the same monotonous message over and over again and get you thrown in Facebook jail. So let's save that. Now what I'm going to do is I am going to create a message group. So I'm going to come up here and I'm going to click on groups. And I am going to click the add button because we're going to create a message group. So I'm going to go with test one. And I'm going to come down and I'm going to click insert. So what we're going to insert is a message segment. We're going to insert one of the message segments that we just created. I'm going to insert test one. Then I'm going to come behind it and I am going to insert the next message segment, which will be test two. And I am going to add. And as you can see, we can, like, the sky is the limit with doing all this randomizing. So I could keep randomizing, but I don't have to do that much. All I have to do now is just save it. And what we're going to do is we are going to run the tool and I'm going to show you. So I'm saving it now. Now, let's go over and start sending targeted friend requests. So now what I'm going to do is I am going to go over to my friends tab on the left-hand side. And now I'm going to run the tool. And we're going to see it's going to send the friend requests and it's also going to send messages. So if you did not watch my last video, you need to go back and watch it where I explained the dashboard right here and how you can set everything up. But what I'm going to do now is I'm going to find my test one group. As you can see, I'm picking it now. That's my test one group, and I am going to run the tool. And as you can see, the tool has started to work. Now let's sit back and watch it work. It's sending the first friend request, and then what we're also going to look for is that initial message that is going to send this person. Now, as you can see, the tool has taken over Facebook, is taking over the messenger, and it's about to begin sending the message now. Yep, and there it is. You saw it. You saw it, my friends, at 4:44 p.m. Let's take a look and see it send one more. And as you can see, it's about to send this lady her initial message. It's already sent her the friend request. Now it's about to send that initial message. And boom, there it is. So, like I said before, this is an amazing tool. This tool does an amazing job. If you want to pick it up, go ahead and look in the description of this video. My name is Tony Bailey. I thank you for your time. And while this tool is working, I will see you on the next one. Like my channel, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you on the next video.